In this video, I want to teach you how you can use your phone as a second camera to live stream to any event you want to have. If you want to live stream your event with your phone, you can do that. And the other video I made, this video here right here, I used my phone, I use my HDMI, I use my capture card for everything, but this one is wirelessly. This time around you are using SRT for your connection. SRT, that's a standard reliable transport, which is SRT, to connect your phone to your system, which is very okay. Before people use Droidcam, you will see past some of my video, my channel, I teach you about you can use Droidcam, you can use other applications, NDI and everything. But this time around, I come with an advanced technology, which is SRT. You love it. Let's go ahead. Now, the name of the software, which is on my phone here, go to your Google Play Store. On Google Play Store, just search for PlayPro. PlayPro. This is it already. It's powered by Vision. This is PlayPro. I have it already downloaded. Then you click on open. After you download it, just open it. Immediately open it, you need to set it up. When you set it up, it will ask you to sign in. For me here, I've already signed in to the app and I've done everything. Now, this is what you do. You come to this place, you click on manage service. Now, when you click on manage service, as the first time it will show a lot of things there. What you need to do, you add service, click on add, then you go to local lineup. When you go to local lineup, when you click on local lineup, you click on this one here, this one right here, just give it a name. Let me give name name like this. Just click on this it. And it just add channel. I have already added this channel now. Now this is what you do. You, instead of play, you click on stream, and then you use the SRT here. This is your settings there. Now you can now change it to, you can change your port and your lattice and everything, and your bitrate and everything there. You can change your resolution, change it to 1080 or UHD, that's ultra. If your system can carry it, just change it to ultra HD. Ultra HD is 4K. Or if your phone can carry up to 1080, just put it on 1080. Then what you really need is your IP address. This is your IP address, and this is my own IP address and my own port. So the IP address determine the network you are using. If you are using MTN router, the IP address determine, maybe they have different IP address. MTN has their own IP address depending on the router. Then this is the IP address then you will use. Then add it. Then go back here. It's already added. Then go back here. Go back. Now you will see it will show here. This is it. See it here. I have this one before. This one I've been using before, but because of it, I need to click one. This is HGN. Now this HGN now let me click on it. Manage service. I'll click on HGN. I want to add the IP. Now when you come to your system, you click this on your system. Click to add input on your system. Go to SRT. When you go to SRT, come here. Go to Yeah, this is listener here. You click on the SRT caller, then you now put the IP address there. My own is 10.10 dot 16 dot then the port is 5000. Yeah, you can remove this one, you can leave it. See it here, 10.10. Port is 5000. Then you click OK here. When you click OK here, sometimes it will not show here. You now go back. You now go back. You now go back. You click on this. Click on it. When you click it, you click on this preview. Just click on preview. Then it come up. Sometimes you don't need the microphone. Just mute the microphone. See it here. See it here. See it here. It's very okay. The quality sometimes depending on if the network is very okay, the quality will be fine. You can go to, you can similar, you can change your camera, you can change it to front camera or back camera. Yeah, see it there. I'll change it to front camera. This is what I'm using now. This is very okay and very good. The quality is okay. If the way you want to use it, if they have a good lighting, this will be very helpful for your connection and everything. I use it to support. I use it for my other camera. The reason why I'm doing like this is because the one is the latency and the network quality. You can change the resolution and you can increase the latency. With this, you can go a long distance and it will not break. It will not break. You can go to a long distance and it will not break. See it here. See it here. It's very okay. And you just try it. It's very, you can stop it. When you stop it, it's always stop here. So I hope I've solved one problem now. If you are having issue, maybe got some people in the comment section, they are saying that their camera, their phone is not compatible with that extender using Type-C output. If you have an issue with that, what you can use is this PlayPro, the SRT version of it. When you use this, send it to SRT, send it to your network, then your vMix or OBS can be able to see it. But that one is for advanced. You need Blackmagic and everything for advanced features. If you are using the advanced phone, you can use that one. But if your phone is not compatible with that Type-C output, use this one, and you really like this one, and the production is very okay. The production is very okay. Make sure your network you're using is very good. The production is very okay. Thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and like this channel so that our YouTube will recommend your video to everybody. Thank you very much for staying till the end. See you later.